Picture this: a desolate battlefield. Silence hangs heavy in the air, broken only by the distant crackle of gunfire. Suddenly, a metallic clink, followed by a hissing sound. Then, boom! The earth erupts in a blinding flash of light and a deafening roar. Smoke and debris fill the air where moments ago there was nothing but tension. This, my friends, is the raw power of a hand grenade. In the blink of an eye, this small but deadly device can turn the tide of battle, clearing enemy positions or halting an advance. But how does something so small unleash such incredible destructive force? Let's break it down and understand the science behind this explosive weapon. Don't let its simple appearance fool you. A grenade is a precision instrument of destruction. At its heart lies the fuse, a timing mechanism that sets the whole chain reaction in motion. The fuse is connected to the detonator, a small explosive charge responsible for igniting the main course, the filler. This filler is the real game changer. Usually composed of high explosives, it's packed tightly within the grenade's outer shell, aptly called the body. When detonated, the filler rapidly transforms into an expanding gas, generating immense pressure that shatters the body and unleashes havoc. The grenade's journey from your hand to its target is a carefully orchestrated dance of physics and chemistry. It all begins with the pull. You yank the safety pin, releasing the lever and activating the fuse. This starts the countdown. The fuse burns down, creating a spark that sets off the detonator. The detonator, in turn, delivers a jolt of energy to the filler, triggering a rapid chemical reaction. This reaction generates a massive amount of energy in the form of heat and expanding gas. The pressure builds up inside the grenade's body, and within a few short seconds, it reaches a breaking point. Section 4, the blast zone, shockwave and shrapnel. This is where things get really messy. When the grenade's body can no longer contain the pressure, it ruptures violently. This sends a shockwave, a wall of highly compressed air, radiating outwards at supersonic speeds. The shockwave is invisible but deadly, capable of crushing objects, collapsing lungs, and inflicting severe internal injuries. But the shockwave is just the beginning. The grenade's body, fragmented into hundreds of lethal shards, is propelled outwards in a deadly hailstorm. This shrapnel transforms the surrounding area into a kill zone, tearing through flesh and bone with ease. The heat generated by the explosion adds another layer of danger, scorching anything in its immediate vicinity. Section 5. Beyond the basics, a world of grenades. The grenade we've dissected is just the tip of the iceberg. There's a whole arsenal of these explosive marvels, each tailored for specific tactical situations. Fragmentation grenades, like the one we discussed, are designed for anti-personnel purposes, inflicting maximum casualties in open terrain. Then we have concussion grenades, which produce a powerful shockwave to incapacitate enemies in confined spaces. Smoke grenades create a dense curtain of smoke for concealment or signaling. And let's not forget about incendiary grenades, designed to set things ablaze. The list goes on, a testament to human ingenuity in the art of destruction.